Siapa nih ngapain rambut si Muhammad? Hah? Siapa yang colak-colak? Pasti Selina.
No, I
Dah, you do that.
want
Atau
to
papa?
scissors.
No, you lain.
No, not.
Enggak.
I want to play scissors.
Ya siapa nih? Kenapa rambut adiknya colak-colak nih? Siapa yang colak-colak?
I don't
Ini banyak rambut kecil-kecil di sini ha. You do that.
know.
Iya, kamu.
I thought Sissy did it.
Siti siapa Siti?
Siti was upstairs with me.
Siti siapa? Selena atau Siti? Ah,
I saw Sissy in the big room and me playing with toys.
kamu nih Selena.
No, I didn't.
Dah ada kamu. Pasti kau. Kau colak-colak rambut adik kau.
I didn't play with scissors.
Dah ada. Atau papa? Tengok ni colak-colak rambut adiknya ya Allah. Kenapa kamu gunting rambut si Muhammad?
I didn't cut it.
Kamu gunting rambut Muhammad ya?
No, I want to play with scissors.
Kamu siapa Siti? Dia si Siti potong rambut si Muhammad?
Yeah.
Hah?
No. She was with the kakak the whole
Nggak
time.
ada. Selina ni punya kerja.
No.